Hello guys, welcome back to EEC YouTube channel with me, Fadly Rizqi Wicaksono, as Chief of Third Leadership. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use also, to, and as well. Without any further ado, let's get started. You know these three words yet? All three words have same meaning. However, they have different functions. The first one is also is used in one formal sentences, and also when they use in writing also have two functions. Namely, the first one is combining two different things. For example, Anggun is a hard worker and also a brilliant girl. Second one is adding another topic in the sentences. For example, we haven't bought fruits for juice and the ice cream. Also, we still need to prepare for tonight's party. And the second one is do. It is a very common adverb. Generally, do is used at the end, but under certain conditions, do can also be placed at the beginning of the subject and in the middle of the sentences. For example, just like me, he doesn't like grapes too. It's placed in the last word. The second one is I like strawberry too, just like you. It's placed in the middle, and the last one is we too have been deceived by a curtain face. It's placed at the beginning of the subject. And the last one is as well. This can be used in formal and informal sentences, but as well is can only used at the end of the sentences. As well is more commonly used in conversations only, and it's commonly in academic writing. The example is I will order the pineapple cupcake as well. The second one is I love Harry Potter as well. And the last one is mango is delicious as well. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.